Where are we going?
Peak.
What peak? Mount Faber. Hey, what you doing?
So high.
Oh, what you holding?
Spider-Man.
Let's go up. Don't run.
Now can we slide it down now see?
Yes, yes, we can. What?
Fly like a hero actually together.
You want to fly like a superhero?
No, but you cannot.
You can one day.
Why?
You will find your power.
I should fly now.
I should fly now. What?
You do.
Okay, let's fly.
ज़्यादा खुशी हो. Hi.
Introduce yourself, please.
I'm Ankush
And
and I have my family here, Virat and Shweta.
If we drop it one day, we can drop and then it will finally break.
it will finally break. If you drop it, na?
Yeah.
Only then. But if I'm not dropping it, how will it break?
Then it will.
Yeah, okay. Oh my god, so cute. Did you get?
Unicorn.
Unicorn.
Unique cornetto.
But how will you eat with your mask on?
I'll take it down.
So take it down. How is it?
Yummy.
What's the experience at Henderson Bridge?
Scary.
Why? Why scary?
Because I don't get full now.
Oh,
It will be very dark.
Subscribe
Subscribe
to
to
the
the
Looney
Looney
Bongs.
Bongs.
And just say like,
Like,
comment,
comment,
and share
and share
the video.
videos.
Videos!
Okay, I don't mind.